In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project in Zoho Books, a handy tool for managing your business financials. Whether you're a freelancer tracking billable hours or a business managing multiple team members, setting up a project in Zoho Books can streamline your financial operations. Let's start by enabling the timesheet module. If you haven't already enabled it, you'll want to do this first. Head over to the Settings section, which you can find by locating the gear icon. In the Preferences menu, look for the General Settings. There you'll find an option for Timesheet. Simply check the box next to it and don't forget to save your changes. Enabling this module will allow you to accurately track the time spent on each project, an essential feature for managing and billing project hours. Next, we'll navigate to the Projects section. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a sidebar with various options. Click on Time Tracking. Under this section, select Projects. This is where you'll manage all your project details and track the time logged by your team. Now, let's create a new project. To do this, click the plus New Project button. You'll be prompted to fill in some key details. Start by entering a name for your project. Make sure it's something clear and recognizable for both you and your client. If you like, you can also add a brief description. This step is optional but can be helpful for providing additional context. The next field to fill out is the customer name. Select your customer from the drop-down menu. If it's a recurring client, this helps in keeping all related projects organized under one name. Additionally, you have the option to enable customer approval. By checking this box, you ensure that the customer will need to approve time entries before they're invoiced, adding an extra layer of accountability and accuracy. Now, let's talk billing. You have several billing methods to choose from. You can bill at a fixed cost for the entire project, which works well if the project scope is thoroughly defined from the start. Alternatively, you can bill based on different criteria such as project hours, task hours, or even staff hours, depending on what fits best with your workflow and client agreements. If you wish to set a budget, you can do so by checking the box labeled Add Budget for this project. You can define this budget by total budget cost, total project hours, hours per task, or hours per staff. Setting a clear budget helps keep your team on track and ensures that you're steering clear of overrunning your project's financial limits. Lastly, you'll want to add users and tasks. Assign team members to the project by clicking on plus Add User, then specify what each member will work on by clicking on plus Add Task. Once you've got everything set up to your satisfaction, simply click Save to create your project. Voila! You've successfully set up a project in Zoho Books, putting you on the path to a more organized and efficient workflow.